Lumbar and lumbosacral vertebrae also have two techniques, AP and lateral. Just like the previous one for the thoracic vertebrae, the AP one should be performed with the patient in a supine position. The part position is central MSP to the grid. Flex the knees and hips enough to place the back in firm contact with the table. The central ray should be at the level of the iliac crests, L4, and should be suspended at the end of expiration. It is perpendicular to the center of the IR, entering at the level of the iliac crest. The collimation should be adjusted to 8 × 17 inches. Place the side marker in the collimated exposure field. The required voltage for this exposure is 90 kilovolts. The lateral one is ideal for the patient to be in a lateral position, obviously, with hips and knees flexed. The part position is centered IR to the level of the iliac crests. Center mid-coronal plane of the body to the grid. Extend the arms forward. Place a radiolucent support under the lower thorax to adjust the spine parallel to the table. Place a lead rubber sheet behind the patient to absorb radiation. Just like the AP one, in this one also. The respiration must be suspended at the end of expiration. It is perpendicular to the IR, entering at the mid-coronal plane at the level of the iliac crests. The collimation should be adjusted to 8 × 17 inches. Place the side marker in the collimated exposure field. The required voltage for this image is 96 kilovolts.